How to remove watermark from PDF file. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can remove watermark from PDF file. Now this is the watermark that I want to remove. All you want to do is open up any web browser and search PDF to Word. Then select any website. Now go ahead and select your PDF file. Once you have selected it, click on Convert to Word. Once it has been converted, download the Word file. Now open it. Here, you simply want to click on the watermark and you can now remove this image. Go ahead and delete it, or you can select the watermark and press backspace and you will see that the watermark will be deleted. Once you do that for all the pages, click on File, click on Save As. Now select a location, then choose PDF as your file type and save it. And as you can see, the watermark has been removed from the PDF file. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.